Today we are baking a luscious lemon pound cake that's bursting with lemon flavor and topped with a tangy lemon glaze. This classic treat is a perfect for a brunch, celebration, okay, and whatever you want to eat, a nice lemon pound cake. Hello everybody, welcome back to Aretha's Kitchen. I'm so happy to have you back with me again today, and I hope you've been enjoying my recipes. And today I have a wonderful recipe for you. It's another pound cake, a plain lemon pound cake, and it is really delicious. And I have another one similar. It's a lemon chocolate swirl pound cake, but this one is just plain lemon. No, if you like lemons, then you like lemon cake, okay? So let me stop talking and let's start baking, okay? And before we start baking, I want you to know that those ingredients are listed in the description box, and also how much you need. And as you follow along, I will continue to tell you how much you need as we go along. So anyway, let me stop talking, let's start baking, and let's start rolling in the kitchen. Okay, so before we get started with everything, before we get started with the butter and sugar mixture, let's do a couple things. Okay, first of all, I want to spray my pan here, okay, with my favorite spray, Baker's Joy. Okay, normally I spray, my pan very well. And let's go ahead and set my oven 300 degrees. Okay, so I'm going to put in the stand mixer, 4 sticks of butter. And make sure your butter is at room temperature and that it's soft, where you can actually press your finger in there, because that's going to really make your cake delicious. Okay, and this is unsalted butter, and I always use unsalted butter. Okay, I'm going to blend in 4 cups of sugar. Yes, like I said, it's a big cake, so a big cake takes lots of sugar. Okay, mix it until it's light and fluffy. Mix it on medium high for about 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, stop and then scrape around the bowl to make sure everything is very well combined. Yeah, let's mix it for another, 1 more minute. Okay, it's light and fluffy. Okay. Now we're going to get ready to do our lemon zest. Okay, for our lemon zest, we have 3 lemons. They've been washed very clean. So the zest is the skin off the lemon. So here is the grater, right? So all you do is just brush back and forth all 3 lemons and get all of the skin off of the lemon. And that's all you do for your zest. Okay, now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of this is lemon extract. Teaspoons of vanilla extract. And all of the lemon zest, that's the 3 lemons. sure it's mixed very well. Okay, it's very well mixed. Okay, let's scrape the side of our bowl. Okay, and now I have 8 eggs, no, but 8 whole eggs. And then I'm going to add 4 yolks, okay? Not the whites, but the yolks. And you can always say the whites, like for, like other cakes, like your coconut cake, or you can do like an egg white omelet. Okay, so like, anyway, so that means so your egg won't go totally to waste. Okay, so we're going to add 1 egg at one time to make sure it's beat. Each addition is beat, very well. Okay, let's go ahead and add 1 egg at a time. Okay, now let's let's scrape around the bowl and make sure we stir it up very well one more time before we add the 4 egg yolks. Okay, and like I said, this cake is very, very rich. But it's gonna be delicious. Okay, stir it up. Now let's add our 4 yolks, and we're gonna beat until it's very smooth. Okay, that's our 4 yolks right there. Okay, gonna beat it till it's very smooth. Okay, let's scrape the side of our bowl. Make sure we blend in all our ingredients. Okay, and let's put it on again for maybe 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, so let's get ready to put our flour and wet mixture together. Okay, and for the lemon juice, we're going to mix the juice from the lemon with the buttermilk. Okay, we're going to need about 1/4 cup of lemon juice and also like 3/4 cup of buttermilk, and just mix it together. And you just let's smash cut the lemon in half and then smash it and then get your juice out of the lemon. You also can buy the lemon juice, but preferably use your lemon that you already used where you took your zest from. Okay, and just put it in here and you just squeeze it and out comes the juice. Okay. Okay, and you can put it in the cup. I mean, I have already done it, I did the juice making ahead of time. Okay, like now, what you're gonna need like now is, okay, here's 3/4 cup of buttermilk. Okay, 1/4 cup of lemon juice. You're gonna pour it in there. Okay, and you're going to mix it. Okay, and that's your part of your wet ingredients. And you need about 4.5 cups of cake flour. And I normally use King Arthur cake flour because it's unbleached, and I like it. It makes some of the best cakes. Okay, so like you want to alternate 1 cup of cake flour and then some little your buttermilk lemon juice mixture. Okay, so first of all, let's put 1 cup of flour. So that's a total of 4.5 cups. So let's go ahead and get started on this. And we're going to put on slow speed. Okay. Okay, let's put it on slow speed. That's 1 cup. Some of the buttermilk and lemon juice mixture. 3 cups. And then we'll pour the last 4 cups and then 1/2 cup. And just about a 1/2 cup. Okay. Let it mix very well. Now we don't want to over mix it. No, so let's scrape the side of the bowl. So make sure that we incorporate all the ingredients. Incorporate it very well with the flour mixture. Okay? Okay, and then we're gonna, give it one more stir for about, a minute to make sure it's very well combined. Okay, I think it's very well mixed. So let's get ready to bake our lemon pound cake. Okay, so like now we're gonna get ready to bake our cake. We're going to put our batter in the pan, very smoothly. Okay, and we're gonna smooth it on top. Okay, and I'm gonna make sure I wipe some of it off the tube right here. Okay. Let's smooth it very well. Okay, so we got it in the pan. This is what it looks like. Okay, and we're gonna pound it back to get out those bubbles. And also, okay, let's put it in the oven to like anywhere between like 60 to 90 minutes. Or until like you can insert the toothpick in and it comes out clean. So let's go ahead and put it in the oven. Like I said, the oven been preheated for 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, so I'll be back with you soon the cake gets done. Okay, the cake is done. It took about 90 minutes, a little bit more than 90 minutes. But you always have you like this is a picture that I have, and I just check my cake and see it in. If it comes out clean, I know my cake is done. Okay, and I had the temperature on 300, but I think you could, have it between 300 and 325. So anyway, the cake is done. It's beautiful, beautiful cake. So like it's gonna take about 25 minutes for it to cool, and then before it cools, or while it's cooling, we're gonna make the glaze to go over. So when it's cool, we can put the glaze over it. And it's going to be a lemon glaze that's made out of a confectioner sugar and that juice that we got from the lemons. Okay, so like now we're going to make the glaze. Okay, we're going to start off with 2 cups of confectioner sugar. Okay, and set it aside in case we need to add some more later. And then about like 1/4 cup. Not 3/4, 1/4 cup of lemon juice. Okay, and we're gonna, stir it as we need it. If we need to add more lemon juice, we add more lemon juice. You do it according to the consistency that you want. Gradually, according to what you need. Now, if you want a thicker glaze, you add more confectioner sugar. If you want a thinner glaze, then you add more lemon juice. I think it's going to be enough. So I believe we get all the lumps out. So we're going to set it aside. Okay, and there you have it. And let's put this aside and wait till the cake cools off. And then we're going to put it on the cake. Okay, so here's the cake right here. Okay. And get my mittens. Okay, I'm gonna, and let's see, can we flip it with no problem? Ooh, I heard it. There you go. Let's see. Ah, voila. Yeah, it came out perfect. Now we're gonna take it and we're going to flip it, to the right side with this big plate here and flip it over. Okay. Ooh, slide it over a little bit. And then there you have, isn't it beautiful? Beautiful. And I'm telling you, when you use Baker's Joy, your cakes come out real good. So, okay, so we're going to take a few minutes and we're going to decorate our cake and put that wonderful, delicious lemon glaze over it. Okay, so like now, let's get ready to pour our delicious lemon glaze over the cake. Oh, and there you have it. Lemon pound cake. All right. Okay, so like in a few more minutes, we'll get ready to taste it. Okay, so there you have it. I wait till the cake cool off a little bit more, and then I spread the glaze all over the cake. And boy, does it smell good. Okay, so now we're gonna get ready to taste it. Okay, we cut a slice. Ooh, so nice and soft and moist. Okay, and of course, if you have buttermilk in there, it's going to be soft and moist with crumbs. And this cake is good for, when you have a party or during the holidays or any day. And there you have it. There it is. Okay, so let me get a fork. Here I am with my piece of lemon cake. Okay. This is delicious with the lemon flavor in the cake from the lemon juice and the icing. Oh boy, your family is going to love you if you bake this cake for them. And your friends were going to come to visit you all the time. So anyway, I'd like to thank all of my subscribers. The new subscribers, please feel free to join me. I have so many other recipes that I would like to share with you, right? So like, subscribe, and get some comments, and hit that notification bell for new recipes. And also, like, if you have some suggestions of some cakes that you would like for me to bake, right? Just leave in the comments. Okay, so take care of yourselves. Be blessed, right? And I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.